Today we are going to be talking about solubility. In today's experiment, we are going to be using two solutes. One will be regular sugar that you can find at home, and also olive oil. Solubility consists of three different factors. One of the factors we'll be covering is a solute, which is the thing that is being dissolved. The solvent, which is the thing the solvent dissolves in, and the solution, which is the combination of the solute and the solvent. In the first part of the experiment, we are only using 2 glasses filled with regular tap water from the sink, and we are going to dissolve the sugar in one and try to dissolve the olive oil in the other. Before making our solution, we're just going to take a pot of water and put it on a medium heat setting for later. Alright, here I am going to combine our solute, which is the sugar, into the solvent, which is the water, and we are going to see if the sugar is soluble in water. Soluble meaning that after we're done adding 3 tablespoons of sugar, we will no longer be able to tell that sugar was ever added to the solvent. As you can see here, there's still a few more sugar particles left where we need to continue to stir so it can completely dissolve. But sugar is soluble in water, as you can tell at the end when it becomes completely clear. Now we're going to try and dissolve olive oil in water and watch what happens to that solute. The solute did not dissolve in the water at all, so you can still see the bubbles everywhere, meaning that olive oil is insoluble, meaning it is not able to dissolve in water. Now I'm going to show you guys how sugar reacts with boiling hot water when you dissolve it. It still does the same thing because it's still soluble in water, but you will notice that sugar dissolves a bit quicker in hot water than it does in cool water. So in the first video, it took us 3 spoonfuls to get it completely dissolved, and in this one, it only took us 2 spoonfuls to get it completely dissolved under the hot water. Here we are showing you guys olive oil in hot water. It's going to do the same thing it did in the cool water, so it's not really much different, but we decided we might as well make it even and show you guys both. Here I want to tell you guys why the olive oil is insoluble. So insoluble, like I said before, means that it does not mix with the solvent and that it is not completely transformed into a solution. And so for olive oil, it is like a fat, and fats are hydrophobic, meaning that they reject water. Here are our finishing products. This is the sugar water. This is the olive oil and water. This is the sugar and heated water, and the olive oil and heated water. Here the arrow is showing you the separation between the water and the oil. There's one more concept within solubility that I want to explain to you guys. Here in the beginning of our experiment, the 2 glasses only contained water and water alone. Therefore, they could be described as unsaturated right now. And as we added more sugar to it, it slowly became saturated, and then our ending product with the sugar that is completely dissolved within the water would be our supersaturated solution. I hope this video helped you understand solubility a little more.